Hello friends, welcome to Introduction to C Programming. My name is Sadhvi. Over the next few minutes, I will be taking you to the series of C programming having different segments within. Before learning C, let's start with the simple questions: what is programming and programming languages? To understand the term programming language, we must know what is programming. Programming is to make computer to do certain things by giving it instructions. These instructions are called programs. The instructions come in different languages. They are called programming languages. These programs or softwares are responsible for running your operating system, browser, email, games, movie player, and just about everything. As we know, to communicate with a person, we need a specific language. Similarly, to communicate with a computer, a programmer also needs a language that is called programming language. There are three types of programming languages which can be categorized into low-level language, high-level language, and middle-level language. Low-level language is the most understandable language used by the computer to perform its operations. It can be further categorized into machine language and assembly language. The machine language consists of strings of binary numbers, and it is only one language the processor directly understands. So it has faster execution time since the programs written in this language need not to be translated. The second one is assembly language. Assembly language is also known as low-level language because to design a program, a programmer requires detailed knowledge of hardware specification. This language uses mnemonics code in place of 0 and 1s. The second type is high-level language. Instructions of this language closely resembles to human language or English-like words. It uses mathematical notations to perform the task. The high-level language is easier to learn. It requires less time to write and is easier to maintain the errors. The high-level language is converted into machine language by one of the two different languages translator programs, interpreter or compiler. High-level language can be further categorized as procedure-oriented, object-oriented, and natural language. Procedure-oriented language is methodology for modeling the problem being solved by determining the steps and the order of those steps that must be followed in order to reach a desired outcome or a specific program state. It includes languages such as Pascal, COBOL, C, Fortran. The object-oriented programming languages allows user to specify what the output should be without describing all the details of how the data should be manipulated to produce the result. And the third one is natural language. Natural languages are still in developing stage where we could write statements that would look like normal sentences. The program designed using natural languages will have artificial intelligence. Middle-level language lies between low-level language and high-level language. This language interacts with the abstraction layer of a computer system. Medium-level language serves as a bridge between the raw hardware and the programming layer of computer system. Middle-level language is also known as intermediate programming language and pseudo language. Here are some programming languages: Python, Java, C, C++, C#, PHP, JavaScript are the most commonly used programming languages. We will start this series with C programming. Let's get started. C is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It can be used to develop software like operating system, databases, compilers, and so on. C programming is an excellent language to learn to program for beginners. It was named C because many of its features were derived from an earlier language called B. Procedural language, portable, speed, and general purpose qualities are some of the features that make it powerful. C is one of the oldest languages that cannot be replaced by any other language, as it is the core of every machine. In the 21st century, where the languages like Java, Python are resigning the market, you should not worry about how relevant the C programming language is. And if you are still not sure, proceed with this tutorial to know how the powerful the C language is.